Hey you guys, it's Semret Russom. I'm back with another Tigrinya Tuesday, and you are?
Robel.
Robela. We're so excited to have you guys back. Today we're going to be doing, of course, Eritrean traditional coffee ceremony. We thought we should share with you, well, my way of doing it, so don't judge me, okay? To all my subscribers, thank you so much for your love and support, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And every Tuesday we upload Tigrinya Tuesday. You ready?
I'm ready.
For the coffee?
Let's do this.
All right, let's get into it. All right, you guys, so today, Robel and I are gonna have Eritrean traditional coffee ceremony. I know in America it's a Starbucks coffee or, I don't know, at-home coffee, but for us as Eritrean, coffee is very special coffee ceremony for us. It gives us a chance to, you know, connect with friends, family member, and it's just kind of to pass time with your family too. So our coffee doesn't just finish in one cup, but ours starts with, obviously you've seen all this, and it takes time. You just talk and figure out what's going on with your friends and family. And so Robel and I like to do this every now and then. Although I live in America, I still try to keep my culture my way that I know. You know, having the coffee with him and also now with my daughter. So that way she's used to seeing us having a coffee, and eventually she's gonna start asking, so I'll be able to explain to her. But you know, this is a fun way for us to just kind of connect as well and figure out how's your day.
Well, it's an excuse.
That.
It's an excuse to spend time together.
Exactly.
And the process is just an excuse to spend more time together.
Yeah, and no cell phone. See? It's perfect.
Right. I can't look at my cell phone? Oh no.
Nope, no cell phone. So this is why you do this, so you can connect and enjoy the coffee. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this, and we're gonna get into it. All right, you guys, so next I'm gonna be teaching Robel some words so that he can remember when we do our coffee ceremony. Are you ready?
Harai, yes.
Harai? Yes. Okay, so coffee is boon.
Boon.
Boon. You should remember that.
Boon, that's easy. I already knew that.
This little cup right here is called kubaya. Kubaya, we use it to do things. One, to measure the water for the coffee. And the other thing is we use this because when the coffee is ready, you need something to, you know, put it back in a little cup and put it back into the pot, because when it boils, we use this. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about, but it's called kubaya.
Kubaya.
Yes. And this is cup. In Eritrea, we call finjal.
Finjal. Finjal.
Tea, we don't have it. Obviously, this is a coffee ceremony, but in Eritrea, the other thing we love is tea. Tea is shahi.
Shahi.
Yes.
Shahi.
Shahi. And sugar is shukor. Just similar.
Shakor. I don't like shakor in my coffee, but
You don't.
do they
but
normally have shakor?
We love sugar
Okay.
as Eritrean. It's just milk in Eritrea is tsaba. Tsaba.
Tsaba. Tsaba.
Tsaba.
Tsaba.
Yep, good job. Bread, in Eritrea, we have a really amazing, one of my favorite bread. It's called hambasha. Of course, I don't know how to make it, and we don't have it, but we do have some regular bread, and hambasha means bread.
Ambasha. Hambasha.
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 Yes.
All right.
So,
Okay, got hambasha.
and also popcorn. I know it's like in America when you're in the movies and stuff like that, you basically have popcorn. But in Eritrea, when we have coffee ceremony or holidays or weddings, we use popcorn. It's a celebration. It's, you know, it's a big deal. It's not a big deal, but it's part of the coffee ceremony. So we love having popcorn. So mbaba is popcorn.
Imbaba. Imbaba.
Mbaba.
Imbaba.
Yes.
Imbaba.
Mbaba.
Uh-huh.
And we do this too.
All right.
Part of our happiness. And we put it on the floor. Okay? Water is my.
My.
Yes. So this little pot, well, it's called jebena in Tigrinya. Jebena is where we put the coffee, and this is called jebena.
That's where you kind of make the coffee inside of that.
This is where it's going to be.
Because there's not really a word for that in English, but it's...
No.
So this is jebena.
Jebena.
Jebena. All right.
This is your quiz. We're
All
going
right.
to quiz Robel to see if he remembers all the words. You ready?
Owa.
What is this thing right here?
Jebana.
Oh.
Easy.
You're
Jebana.
so confident. How about this?
Kubaya. Kubaya.
Roberto's getting better. What is
Shakur.
Shakur?
Shakur. And you're my Shakur. Shakur.
Thank you. And what is this?
Finjal. Finjal.
Right. That's right. Finjal. And
My.
I know we don't have tea, but how do you say tea?
Shahi.
Shahi. How do you
Shahi.
say bread? For example, well, we do have croissant, but bread.
Bread for coffee
Eritrea.
in ceremony is ambasha.
That's right.
Ambasha.
Good job.
What about what else is
How
in
about
there? Next to the bread.
popcorn?
Oh, popcorn?
Yeah.
It's imbaba.
And
Imbaba.
yes.
Did-
And baba.
Did you say this?
Yes. How about milk?
Milk, tsaba.
Baba.
Tsaba.
All right, you guys. So this here does two things. The name of it is called meshrefet. Meshrefet, we use it where you roast the coffee and you leave it here to cool down before you can grind it. The other thing is that we use it, they still use it back home to make the fire, like with the wood, to keep it going, right? Not everybody has electricity, and so that's what you do. You just fan it, right? You use it for fanning the fire. So that's what it is. It's called meshrefet. Can you say
Meshrefet. Meshrefet.
Yes. And I have in here incense. It smells really good, and it's called etan.
Etan.
Yes.
Etan is incense.
The incense goes into this, and this is handmade. We call it mabokoria.
Mobokoria.
Yes.
Mobokoria.
Yes. This right here is where we roast our coffee beans, and it's called menkeshkesh.
Menkeshkesh.
Yes. and
Menkeshkesh.
This is handmade. Can you believe it?
Menkeshkesh. Yeah.
Yes.
I remember they had these at the
market.
market. Yeah.
Yeah,
That
in
were,
Asmara.
it was all the people that what do you call it, guys that work on metal? Welders.
Welders, yeah.
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 They were.
In Eritrea, nothing goes to waste. Everything is recycled. So this is a recycle from something. So I love it. It's really awesome. They're very creative. All right, now we're gonna start the process.
We're gonna see how it's made.
Yes.
Ooh, I'm excited.
All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that. That was the coffee ceremony, and wasn't that fun?
Yes. Oh.
So up next, I'm gonna be teaching Robel just a few sentences about coffee. Yeah, you ready?
Yes.
All right.
Oh.
This coffee is good. Aziyu du'um bun.
Aziyu bun.
Wow.
Hold on.
Yes, sip on that. Don't spill on your white shirt.
Aziyu bun.
That's right. Aziyu du'um bun. Very good. May I have more coffee?
Okay.
Bejahi bun wasakhani.
Bejahi bun wazannahi wasahanni.
Yes, perfect.
Hold on. Bejahi bun
Wasakhani.
wasahanni wasahanni.
Wasakhani.
Is that good?
Wasakhani. I like sugar in my coffee. Shukr misbun yifotu iye.
Shukur misbun
yifotu iye.
yifotu iye.
Yes.
Is that good?
Yes.
Shukur
Shukr misbun
misbun
yifotu
yifotu
iye.
iye.
Good job, Nufar. Yay! All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed Tigrinya Tuesday about our coffee ceremony. Most importantly, it's not just about a coffee in our culture, it's about family and getting together and just having a conversation. And so we were so excited to share that with you guys. And as always, we love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting us. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do. And we'll come back every Tuesday, bringing you more Tigrinya Tuesday. For now, we want to say ciao and thank you. Bye, guys.
Ciao. Mwah.